Hi everyone, Robert here, aka The Tall Man.
And I'm Lisa, aka Mrs. Tallman.
Do you hate paying as much as you do for cruise ship internet as we do? You can see Lisa and I are currently on a cruise ship, and we take a ton of cruises every year, and it costs us thousands for the ship's internet service every year.
What if we told you there was a better solution that is far cheaper? I mean, currently internet prices on cruise ships range from $17 to $42 per day. Now multiply that times the days you're at sea, and you're into hundreds of dollars for a 7-day cruise. And that's just for one device.
I know, right? One device. Heck, the last ship we were on, Lisa, it cost us just over $250 for the internet service for a 7-day cruise.
Right? In the end, most of us are just checking email, keeping in touch with loved ones, checking our social account, or even taking a call on Zoom or WhatsApp. So the data you were using is really very limited.
Yeah, even if you're posting pics or videos to Facebook, Instagram, or say posting a TikTok, the data usage is generally very minimal.
Right? So let us introduce you to GIGSky.
GIGSky is an app that works on your phone using the current cruise ship's networks and the eSIM already in your phone.
Costs for data plans are as low as $19.99.
That's $19.99, not $19.99 a day. Just $19.99.
Right? And if you want it to cost even less, at the end of this video, we're going to give you a discount code to save you even more money.
Woohoo! I love saving money.
Me too.
I'm cheap. Here's how it works. It's very simple. There is a link in the description of the video right down there for you to click on to download the app. Now, once you've downloaded the app, you will create a free account. Yes, free account.
Now, just to be clear, GIGSky will not work on older phones, but once you download the app, it will check your phone's compatibility. No worries, you don't have to be a tech wizard.
Thank God.
Oh, no.
No, you're not a tech wizard.
Oh.
Good Lord. Okay, so the app is downloaded. You created a free account. Now you select the cruise line you're traveling on next, and then choose the data plan that you want to purchase. You will see how large the plans are and how long they're good for. Here's an example. The 7-day plan is good for 7 days or 1 gigabyte of data, whichever comes first.
Nice. Now, once you're at the checkout screen, if you want to double check to make sure your phone is compatible, you can click on the Here button and it will show you all of the phones that are compatible.
Nice. It makes it very, very easy. Now, for even more savings, you can enter the promo code I'll give you in just a minute.
Here are a few tips to make sure your experience is smooth and easy.
All right, number 1, make sure you purchase your package before you get to the ship. Do not activate it though, just purchase it. Number 2, before you get to the ship, make sure that your phone has been fully updated to the latest version of the phone's software / operating system. And number 3, once you're on the ship, do not turn your Wi-Fi on and switch your phone to airplane mode. I'm going to repeat that. Do not turn on the Wi-Fi and do not put your phone in airplane mode. Just open the GIGSky app, click on your plan, and then click on the Activate the Plan button. Just follow the prompts of how to activate it and bam, you will have internet service without paying for the ship's internet or using your cell service either. Okay. Number 4 and last, once you have completed the purchase, remember, do not install the eSIM. Again, do not install the eSIM or activate it. Wait till you get to the ship.
Now, when you go to purchase your plan, you might be wondering which is the best plan for you to purchase. These days, most of our phone's data plans are unlimited, so we often don't even think about data usage.
I know, we just do what we do and don't worry about it, right? Yeah. This being said, though, these are not unlimited plans, so you need to be mindful of the activities you do.
True. Now, here's a basic guideline of what activities you may do and the data it consumes using the 1 gigabyte plan. Number 1. Send and receive about 10,000 emails without the file attachments. Number 2, browse the internet for about 10 hours. Number 3, stream non-high definition music for about 12 hours. 12. Number 4, stream low definition video for about 4 hours. Number 5, download about 200 high quality photos. Number 6, use map navigation such as Google Maps to travel about 200 miles.
200 miles?
Yeah.
Nice. Knowing all of this information, Lisa and I are currently on a 7-day cruise right now, but we chose the 3 gigabyte plan instead of the 1 gigabyte plan, but we are still saving tons of money. Now, I am on GIGSky right now on my phone. And as you can see, I can do all the same exact things I would be doing on the ship's Wi-Fi, but I'm doing it for far less money. From checking my emails, going to our Facebook group, Tall Man's Cruise Adventures on Facebook, or texting family to keep in touch. It is very simple and it costs less.
Now, I'm also guessing some of you may ask, but what are the speeds? How fast is it? Well, we take a bunch of speed tests at different times of the day, and this is what you're looking at now. Now, in most cases, these speeds are same or faster than the cruise line's internet.
I love that.
Me too.
Another one of the great things is their customer service. So let's say you're having a challenge or something like that. If you want, you can just email help@gigsky.com. Again, help@gigsky.com. And someone will reply to you within minutes to help guide you to your solution. In fact, I originally had a challenge myself, and I didn't know what to do, so I found the help@gigsky.com, sent them an email. They literally replied back within 2 minutes. And it turns out my phone had not been updated in a while, and that's all I had to do was just update my phone. Once I updated it, GIGSky started working perfectly and immediately.
Now, this is why we also recommend that you activate your plan once you get onto the ship, but before the ship leaves the port. This way, if you have any challenges, you can reach GIGSky's help immediately.
Now, Lisa and I ask if you could do us 3 favors. Number 1, please click on the link below in the description. It is an affiliate link, so Lisa and I will get credit for it. The plan will cost you no more because you use the affiliate link. We will just get credit. And oh yeah, let's not forget, I did promise you a promo code. So using that link in the description, once you set up your free account and you go to purchase your first plan, what you're going to do is you're going to enter the words Tall Man Clan in the promo code at checkout. Again, that is Tall Man Clan with no spaces, right? And you're going to receive another 10% off your plan.
So you're saving money just because you're not using ship's internet plans, and you're saving even more money because we're getting you another 10% off. And potentially even getting you faster internet service.
Isn't that awesome? 10%. It's faster. All right. Sounds like the ultimate win-win to me.
Right? The second favor is leave us a comment below letting us know you're trying it out. Remember, we are on a ship right now using GIGSky. It's truly amazing. It works perfectly. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain.
The last favor is that we ask you to share this video with all of your cruise friends or even your Facebook cruise groups. We want to make sure to share this savings with the entire cruise community. We both hope you all try GIGSky on your next cruise and enjoy the savings as much as we are.
We'll see you on the next ship.
Good luck and happy cruising.